there, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share with you the digestive enzyme that I love. It's from nbpure, and it's their Digestive Enzyme Complex. Now, I love to take a digestive enzyme every day. It really helps with my digestion. It helps if I eat something that maybe doesn't sit well with me, and it also helps me to be regular. The reason that I love the nbpure's digestive enzyme is because it uses such natural ingredients. So it has things like ginger in it, peppermint leaf, and cinnamon bark, along with a ton of probiotics. So I will show you what the little capsule looks like. I also like that it is pretty small and easy to take. It goes down super smooth. If you're looking for a really high quality, good probiotic, I definitely would recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.